show you doing one of them. So we're going to use the original origami paper, and you need 4 of them. So we're going to do first the top, front. So it's in 2 parts, front and the back, and then we glue it. That, and now I'm going to do like this. So just do it twice. Now do this. So this is the front part. So we did like this. Now I'm going to do like this. And just fold it like this. It's just paper folding. Okay, now as we did that, now we're going to do here. Like this. Okay, now I'm going to go in the back, and in the back fold this side like this. So once we did that, I'm going to turn this side, and I'm going to take this and fold it a little bit here, and then fold it a little bit here, and then take it and put it inside here. Now we're going to make this. making this dress suit, this part is the final part, is the one little bit tricky. Okay, so what you have to do is take this and open up this portion and put it here like this and tight, and this portion open up this over here like this. So here we'll need to pull a little bit more because pull is less. To pull it a little bit more, and then open it. Okay, so this is the front. Okay, so while we make the back, we can decorate it or we just leave it like this. So this is the front. Okay, now I'm going to make the back. Back meaning this portion, this portion. Then we'll add it together. So now this one, we'll add some glue to this. This says super glue. Hope it's hold it like a super glue. Now it's done. Okay, now we fold it like this. Now we have to this much and come this much, but we have to see, make sure it's looks proportionate here. Okay, use a little bit of super duper glue here this gets glued. This glue is very strong, it's super glue. So I wait a little bit until it gets glued. Then we're just going to open this part like this, see? And we insert it, then open it better. We insert it like this, and then we can open it, so we insert and put more glue here. So this is our one suit. I'm going to decorate the front a little bit. Put a little bit of glue over here too. Okay, so right now we're going to decorate this suit. One, two, three, 4, 5. Put some sequin. Like this, and so this is how I decorated it, and it should look like this when it dries. Okay, so